traders, welcome to the TMT stock market strategy video for Friday, April 15th. Well, we did get a little bit of grind up then down. Basically, you could see here in your 5-minute spiders, within here's your 15-minute range, we did absolutely nothing. If you didn't catch a move within one of these pullbacks, you did nothing all day, and it was just chop. And that's what's happening. Markets are holding in this area, which is still kind of bullish, but to me, looking for a catalyst, what is going to be the next push up. I've been mentioning that we will find a market top probably in the next 3 to 6 weeks when we conclude earnings season. I'm going to put out a special video over the weekend on my observations and my technical analysis on why the market will be topping around that area. You will also realize that we're right now somewhere between 18 and 20 times forward earnings. Markets are fully valued. Earnings estimates so far this week have not been great. They've been a mixed bag. So you need something to catapult this up other than the free money. Janet Yellen hasn't done it this time, and I do believe that the markets are headed lower. The bigger move is going to be lower. Do we move up higher? Remember what I said. We had options monthly expiration where we do get a little bit of bullish bias for the weekend, which we have. I don't suspect the markets to sell off at all today. If maybe a small pullback, remember, large institutions are selling calls and puts, and they want all of those options to expire worthless so they can collect all the money. So there's no reason to adjust positions for them. They're just going to try to keep everything status quo. So I do believe you'll probably get one move this morning, and then pretty much that would be it by the end of the day. But just keep that in mind. I mean, obviously anything could happen. Okay, so let's just run into the indexes. Spiders, you could see here, we did get that pop up. We have a small little doji forming here, and I think that we would have probably a push into here. Come maybe Monday, Tuesday, get everybody back long into these supply areas, and then that's when the market would start to sell off. And that'll be some sort of an area here. But you could see big supply. We really haven't done anything pretty much all of April. You could see one up day, one down day, and then we just one pop, and then we had an inside day here with that doji candle. So it has been very difficult for April if you're day trading, because the move's really been happening in the morning. But again, you have to be quick and you have to be nimble, and definitely use your stops because volatility is increasing, telling us that we're going to probably get out of here one way or the other. But I think the up move will be a false move, will be a false breakout up and then fail, and then we're going to start to migrate lower. Okay. IWM daily, as you can see here, we did pop above this big area of horizontal area of resistance. But again, we still have a lot of supply overhead, and we have this downtrend line that's going to cap this any type of rally. So I think we get into it, and then we probably roll back down again. All right, so that's something that I'm looking for the next few sessions. Transportation sector here did pop up, had a decent day. Again, another doji day, capping this downtrend line here from this move from pretty much all of 2015 and a good 3 months of 2016 so far. So just keep that in mind, guys. I'm just showing this to you. You've seen these before. Another doji, repetitive patterns. They're consistent here. And again, we are at big areas of resistance. In this video, it's too much to show you what I'm going to show you over the weekend. So definitely look for the video over the weekend, and I will. I'm going to basically, this video will be all about market top for what I'm seeing right now, where I do believe that the market actually is topping, and we should top in the next few weeks. Lastly is the Qs. You can see here. So really not much of a day yesterday at all. Like I said, guys, we really did nothing. And we've been, sideways here for how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4. So about 8, 9 trading days. All of April, we've been going nowhere. So we're either going to move up or we're going to move lower. And again, no one knows. We want to let price break out and see if we get some follow through. And if not, we'll revert back down again. And then we're going to look for targets to the downside where we think the market may stop. Okay, but we need to get the market to go to the downside first before we can start looking at any type of targets here. Okay. Hope it helps everybody. Have a great weekend. Use your stops. Please be very careful out there. And remember, it is Friday, so 9:30 to about 12. And if you made some money, I would call it a day. Have a great day. Enjoy the weekend. We'll speak to you on Monday. Take care.